plastics represent a problem for the environment, especially because in the event of littering, they fragment and they form microplastics. Also, in some plastics, there are additives that are not really good for the human health and for the environment. These additives should be removed, should be changed. There should be innovation finding better additives for the purpose. And the bio-based plastics try not to use fossil resources, but renewable resources, with the purpose of reducing the carbon footprint. The biodegradable plastics are plastics that, when mixed with kitchen bio-waste or kitchen waste or organic waste, they can go together with this waste into composting. Novamont is a pioneer in the field of bio-based and biodegradable plastics, and the original purpose of ours was to make a material that was a combination of plastics and paper-based materials. So plastics, we wanted to have the same possibility of conversion by thermoforming, which is a very effective way to produce products, and also barrier properties, and also the characteristics that make plastics a very good material. On the other hand, we want also to have the biodegradation characteristics of paper and paper-based materials. The biodegradable and bio-based plastics should not replace all the possible applications made with plastics. This is not feasible. It is not even reasonable. Only specific applications should be substituted with biodegradable plastics. Whenever biodegradability is providing an advantage. Novamont produces plastic materials, so we sell granules, and granules can then be converted by thermoforming into products. What type of products? Mainly flexible packaging, so bags or some films, and also material for cutlery, tableware, so more solid materials. Polymers, bacterial polymers such as polyhydroxyalkanoate, PHA, PHB, and the like are very interesting materials. Actually, they were the first biodegradable polymers developed in the 70s, so they are very, very old. And they are of interest, I personally think, more in combination with others. So basically, in order to exploit the potentialities of different polymers, sometimes it's good to combine different polymers with different characteristics, especially performance, mechanical performance, and also biodegradability, in order to reach the wished final performance in the product. We think that it is not really possible to make any claim in a product that the product is good for littering. So this is something that it is absolutely impossible, because that would increase littering. So basically, whatever are the properties of a product, this cannot be used in advertising. The industry of biodegradable plastics is not really aiming at gaining any market position by saying that the products made of bioplastics are good for littering. That would be a disaster. That would be an increase of littering. That would be a misunderstanding of what we are doing.